Okay, you're right.
Did you hear that?
Seems right. He's filled his quota. Once a year, he's right. So what are we here for?
We are here for the Epcot International Flower and Garden Festival 2019.
This is my favorite festival at Epcot because I like looking at all the topiaries.
Yeah, I'm actually really excited to see the Stitch topiary.
Topiary or topiary?
Topiary? Isn't it topiary? Topiary. It doesn't really matter.
We're really excited to see the flowers.
And the gardens. Yeah.
But guess what? We're in the middle of our vegan challenge.
Oh yeah.
Which we're gonna make a video later when we're actually done with it. But we're like at the a little before the halfway point.
Day 14
2
of
weeks.
30.
So this whole eating thing is gonna be really fun.
We had to research last night what is actually vegan.
But what's really cool is they have a whole vegan stand this year, first time ever.
Yeah, by Impossible Foods. They have an entire stand.
So we're gonna eat everything there. Okay, so we're gonna go in.
We're gonna go and we're gonna get some food and we're gonna see some flowers. We just picked up the pass holder magnets. They're actually a little bigger than the other ones, but they look really cool.
Cute.
Oh yeah. And the next one comes out April, I think it's like April 20th or something, is when the second magnet comes out.
So everyone's gonna judge me and Sam, but we just spent $30 buying Milo a little spirit jersey.
Yes.
That's the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life.
Around and show the little sleeves.
Look at the little sleeves. We're gonna put this on him tonight and film him. But oh my god. Everything here we can eat. Okay, so all of this is vegan. This is Mexican corn on the cob with a garlic vegan butter spread. We have the meatball tacos. We have a Mediterranean avocado chocolate pudding. That looks so cute. Can't even handle it.
And
Are you ready?
It's vegan, as we said.
Yes, it's all vegan. We can eat all of this.
Take a bite.
Oh my gosh.
It's so juicy.
It's messy, I told you.
That is so good. The garlic, oh my gosh. That was such a good dessert.
2 thumbs up.
Oh yeah. Air Supply is playing.
I want to see Kermit.
I'm all out of love, so lost without you.
That's Japan!
Did you get that? Peter Pan has no eyes. Like,
How does that make you feel?
it's creepy.
There's nothing there.
Nothing at all.
Nothing there.
Your favorite one?
I think Kermit was my favorite, but I'm still confused as to why he was in France.
Yeah,
I thought he would be in the American Pavilion.
we just finished up.
Yep.
What did you think?
I enjoyed it. The food was really good. I feel like there wasn't as many
topiaries.
topiaries.
Yeah, topiary.
Topiaries.
Topiaries. Yeah, I think there was less.
But they had Muppets ones, so I was pumped.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, ooh. Even though I know I've repeatedly said it on video, but I don't understand why they were in France. But
yeah,
Miss Piggy, yes, she's a fashion icon.
Yeah, for sure.
French fashion. Kermit was just riding his bicycle with baguettes in the front basket. We didn't see Stitch. He's there, but we didn't see him.
Yeah.
Sorry, my phone is going crazy.
Wow.
HQ.
Alex Sly, now you're texting us in the middle of the video. Well, we hope you like the video. Also, subscribe to the channel.
Please.
I've never said that. I think we've never said that in a video.
Like, we only have 22 subscribers.
Yeah.
It's
like
embarrassing.
the video and subscribe to our channel.
That would help us.
We're actually having fun doing this. Alright.
Okay, bye.
Bye.